The OnePlus 6T smartphone is coming, and rumors surrounding it claim that it will be sporting a design that is very similar to the Oppo R17. The appearance of the OnePlus 6T will borrow its design from the Oppo R17. The Oppo R17 and R17 Pro smartphones were unveiled in the previous month. Both the handsets are equipped with in-screen fingerprint reader. The R17 features a vertical dual-camera setup, whereas the R17 is fitted with a vertical triple-lens setup, which includes dual cameras and a 3D TOF stereo camera for AR. The leak of OnePlus 6T shows that the rear design of the phone is quite similar to Oppo R17. The right side of the OnePlus 6T features alert slider and power key. The volume rocker will stay on the left side of the OnePlus 6T. Leaked retail box of the OnePlus 6T that had surfaced around a week ago shows that it will be arriving with the new water drop style notch. It is speculated that the OnePlus 6T could be the first phone from the company to arrive with an in-screen fingerprint scanner. There is no news available on the internals of the phone. It is likely to borrow most of its specs from the OnePlus 6 smartphone. Hence, it is rumored to arrive with AMOLED display, Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage. The Chinese manufacturer is also likely to debut the Bullet Wireless V2 alongside the OnePlus 6T, as it recently received approval from the Federal Communications Commission in the U.S. Just as the OnePlus 5T was made official in November, the OnePlus 6T may arrive in the same month this year. Co-founder Carl Page has revealed that the OnePlus 6T will not have an audio jack. Yes, the OnePlus 6 may as well be the last OnePlus phone with an audio jack. While this is sad news, we always knew it was going to come one day. OnePlus says the removal of the audio jack brings a number of improvements, such as an improvement in battery life. This may mean a bigger battery, but Carl Pei didn't say, although he did say it will be substantial enough for users to realize. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Share your opinion down below, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.